Hi, everybody. I'm here to show you how to upload photos of your brainstorming worksheet and project calendar if you're having a hard time doing that. So I'm just here on our main page. Our home page is our modules page, right? You're all the way down here at the bottom, week 13, and I have uploaded this assignment for the brainstorming worksheet and project calendar. You can see I'm in the student view, so this is what you should see as well. Although I may add another link here to this tutorial video. There's a copy of the brainstorming worksheet and project calendar that I handed out in class. Remember, I'm looking for you to fill out both the brainstorming worksheet and the project calendar. On the project calendar, you should be filling out where you are, what days you're planning to spend time doing things like searching for sources, evaluating, taking notes on those sources as you read them, days you're planning on spending at the library or at the writing center, appointments that you've made, what days you're planning to have your outline written, and what days you're going to spend writing your rough draft and then revising and editing, etc. I have the lecture that I gave in class already about topic selection and time management. I did a video lecture of it for another class, so I uploaded it for you guys here in case you missed it or don't remember it very well. Essentially, you are going to, first thing is using your phone or someone else's, take a picture of your completed brainstorming worksheet and project calendar. It's going to be two pictures for you guys, one picture of each side once it's done. And then on that phone, you can just email that photo or those photos to yourself. That's what I've done here. I took an example. This is just like one of those pages that a printer gives for alignment purposes, and you can see I just emailed it to myself. So I have it on a computer. You're going to need to have it on a computer because it's difficult to upload files on the Canvas app to assignments. So if you email the photo to yourself, then it's simple and you can follow my instructions here. Once you have this photo emailed to yourself, get in there on a computer and download your photo so that you have a copy of it on your computer. It's going to show up in your downloads, and you might want to remember, usually this is the date, right? 11/19/2018. So I know this is going to be my file. Now once you've downloaded your photos, both of them for each side of the worksheet, come back here to your assignment. There are a few ways to do it. You click Submit Assignment up there. It's going to open this box. When it opens this box, the easiest way is just File Upload. You can choose a file, right? And here I have it set to preview. You can always click over here in Windows, hide the preview pane, but I like to keep it open to make sure this is the right file. So say you had, here's one picture on one side of the assignment. Make sure that the picture is legible and I can actually read what you've written in the worksheet. And then you add another file, and that's going to be like the other side. I'm just going to upload the same photo here, but that would be the other side of the worksheet, the calendar and then the brainstorming worksheet, and you put it in there. And then you have both in there, and you're good. You can write me a comment if you want, but you can just submit the assignment. Another way to do it is you go over here to Text Entry, and you go to Embed Image. Now, if you go to Embed Image, you're going to have to go to the image source. It's going to have to go to Canvas, and what you'll do is you'll click My Files, and you can upload it here. So you can click Upload File, and then again choose. Once you upload an image to your Canvas files, you can say it's just a decorative image or anything like that, and then you'll be able to upload it. And then you are able to update, right? And once you have an image in there, right, you can embed one image, and then you can go ahead and try to embed another image as well. So we have two in there. So if you were to do both, I'm pretty sure it will let you. I don't know why it's not letting me. Sometimes you have to zoom out. There we go. I had to find the update button. So now we have 2 images embedded in there, and you could submit assignment. That's another way you could do it. If you were to host your images at a website online, you could give me the URL for the website where you hosted your image, like Flickr or anything like that. Imgur, if you're used to using image hosting websites. Another way you could possibly do it is if you have a webcam on your computer, you could record or upload images, right? Or if you take a video, you can upload that image or that video. The thing is, if you're going to do a webcam video, you have to make sure that the lighting is good and that you hold it in front of the video camera long enough so that I can check out your work on the assignment. The other thing is if you paste it into a document on, say, Google Drive, which it won't let me show you how to log in. But basically, if I wasn't in a student view, you'd be able to log in to your Google Drive here, just like it allows you to log in here through Office 365. So if you had it pasted into a document on one of those sites, you'd be able to turn it in. But the easiest way, like I showed you, just upload the JPEG or the picture file. It lets you upload more than one, and then you just click assignment, and you're going to be done. So it's simple enough, and you shouldn't have any trouble doing it.